Hey, it's Anna with WTI, and check out this absolutely incredible DIY terrarium.
This is a 7-inch DIY terrarium kit from Creations by Nathalie, and it is so perfect. It comes with everything you need from the vessel to the dirt, rocks, plants, even a little creature to put in there, as well as some crystals. This was such a fun little project to do. I did mine a little differently because I knew I wanted to hang it in my window a specific way, but you can really just have so much fun and get creative with this. Put your moss and your dirt and your rocks wherever you want, and it comes out absolutely stunning. This is just so beautiful and would make such a great girls' night project.
I really loved making this terrarium. I highly recommend it to anybody who is a plant lover in your life. They are going to be completely obsessed, and that's my point of view.